everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I'm really glad that you showed up today because I have a haul. And I know you're saying, what's new? You're always shopping for clothing. And yes, the only difference is this is actually a challenge. I have challenged myself to thrift, and look for pieces to sell online in my Poshmark Closet. I will cross-post these to eBay and Mercari, but I am thrifting every single day. That's not the norm for me. Normally, I am thrifting once a week, twice a month. So this is a little bit different, and I know a lot of you do this, and I envy you. I want to go thrifting every day, or at least I think I do. We'll see what the week holds and how I feel on day 5 about this challenge that I've set up for myself. What my challenge is to go to a different thrift store every day this week to purchase items to sell in my Poshmark Closet, bring them home and process them. And by processing, I mean I need to get them washed, steamed, prepared for sale. I will take pictures of them. I will list them on their platforms. And then I will go the extra mile and do the thing I hate the most, and that is put everything into inventory. And I had an idea. If I was able to do this and work in smaller chunks rather than big batch working, I might be able to get more done. We'll see how it goes. Really, only time can tell. I'll report to you on day 5, the last day of this challenge, and let you know how I feel about working in this manner, going out every single day and listing and repeating. Thrift List Repeat, that's what this is. Today I visited a thrift store called the Second Chance Thrift Shop. It is a thrift store that I love. I really need to make it a point to pop in more often because I have found some gems there in the past and I've made a lot of money. It's a small thrift store and you can see it's so cute, it's very clean, it's well organized, and perhaps the nicest, most helpful employees that I've come across in any thrift store. They're really, really great there. As a matter of fact, when I walked in, I immediately went for the shoes, and the owner, manager, you know, the big boss lady of the store came over and started helping me find some really high quality shoes. So this is a shoe haul. Yeah, mostly shoes. I did pick up 2 pieces of clothing, but I ended up getting 14 items, and I spent $86. Okay, no one look at my nails. They're bad, but yeah, $86, which brings the average price per piece to about $6.14 and whatever, a lot of numbers after that. So we will call this $6.15, and let me show you what I got. All right, the first thing I got are these Lucky Brand wedge booties, and they are a black suede leather. These are a size 9. And okay, the heels are a little beat up. You can see that. And because I'm challenging myself, I'm going to list these just like that. I think probably a little shoe polish or something could bring those back to its original glory, but yeah, I am challenging myself, so I am not going to fool around with those heels. Next up, a pair of Danskos. These are a Mary Jane Dansko, and I believe these are a size 38. So is that a size 8? You know, these shoes were all close to the same size. So these could have been one lady's donations. All right, next up is a pair of sandals. This is a brand I was not familiar with. It was the owner of the store that came over and was talking to me about it, and I decided to give them a try. These were only marked for $5, and she told me these were expensive. I did look at the comps on these. Now, the MSRP on these is well over $100, $150, just they're really expensive. Romika, there you go. And this is a German-made shoe, comfort shoe, and this is what it looks like. I couldn't get the price tag off, so that's what I did. I just put more Sharpie on top of it. That's because I don't want I think these were $5, and these sell on Poshmark anywhere between $35 and $60. and I tried them on. They are my size. They are a size 39. They fit me great. They're really comfortable. So if I am not able to sell these, I'll keep them. Oh, and these too. These are I had to try everything on. These are super comfortable. Look at how cute too. Just a really simple leather wedge, slip-on sandal. Yokono, these are really, really comfortable, and they're in great shape as well. My size, where's the size? I did try them on. They're size 8. Really comfortable. Next up is an espadrille wedge. These are by J. Crew, and these are just a canvas espadrille. I think they're about a 3.5 inch heel. They're really in great condition, like new condition, except they wrote on the bottoms. So I marked out the bottoms. I could not clean that. I tried. I didn't want to put Goo Gone on it because that's actually the jute there, and I didn't want it to look oily and dirty because they're a pretty clean shoe in great condition, J. Crew. The comps on these were pretty good. I love selling J. Crew shoes. I like J. Crew everything. It doesn't always sell the fastest, but the shoes do really well in my closet. So I'm always going to pick them up if they're in great shape. The next pair of shoes is Bernie Mev. And these are comfort shoes, super lightweight. I mean, really lightweight. I've had luck selling this brand, and I just recently picked up a Bernie Mev pair of shoes at the Goodwill outlet when I was in Arizona. So I saw these are my size. They're really comfortable. But I bought everything, I don't know, are those cute? These remind me of one of my friends back in Las Vegas. She used to wear this style a lot. So every time I see them, I think about her. But yeah, I'm always happy to add Bernie Mev to my closet. And here's a brand I've never tried before. I know you know what they are. These are Crocs, lightweight. I think these are polyurethane shoes, so they'd be great for water, but they're supposed to be really comfortable. I haven't tried them. My husband loves Crocs. My kids and my husband wear Crocs, and I think they're kind of ugly, but these are cute, and they do have that little leather band on them and the buckle, and they're in great condition, and they're my size. These are a size 8. So I might give them a try. Now, it turns out these don't sell for much. I've heard other resellers talk about them, and they say they flip really fast. And so that is why I am happy to add them to my closet. And especially, it's a good size. They're in good shape. But yeah, I think the best I can hope for is about $20 for these. Or, I mean, again, they're my size. Next up is a brand I am always happy to add to my closet. Can you see that? Vionic. And these always sell quickly. If you find Vionic, take a look at them because they do really well in my Poshmark closet. These are kind of cute. This is a hook and loop closure on both of them, so they are adjustable. They have great arch support. Really simple slide comfort sandal. They're cute. They're in decent shape. The tread is great, but a little wear here, and I've already scrubbed these, so I'm kind of done with them. I mean, someone else could scrub them better than me. You guys, look at these. These are really cute. This is another brand I've had a lot of luck with. This is the brand Naot, another comfort shoe. Looks a little bit, I mean, Birkenstock-ish, but these sell really well for me on Poshmark. But look how cute these are. This is a red leather with a little crystal detail and that elastic goring there. It does have a rubber sole, super comfortable. These are a size 38, but they fit more like a 7.5. Trust me, I tried these on. Red leather sandals. I mean, there's nothing I like more, but they were just a little bit short for me. So they are a size 38, but they fit like a 7.5. And I liked those so much, I picked them up in orange. You know, these were the same lady, and I get it. When I like something, I'll buy it in every color. So these are the Naot. Let me see, can I find Naot? I'll show you again, but that's what the brand looks like. And these are also a size 38 that fit like a 7.5. They're adorable. I have these listed for $50 in my Poshmark Closet. I am hoping to get anywhere from $35 to $40 for these. These are in great shape and they sell really well on Poshmark. And these I picked up purely on style. I knew these might be something. These are a bootie. They are a burnished leather. They're made to look kind of burned and distressed, and they have the camel color leather and then the black leather almond toe, and the interior or the inside zip, easy to get into. Look at the soles on these. These are like brand new. These are a size 9. Shellys London. That's a brand I've never heard of. I have never sold it. I have never owned it. And turns out it does pretty well on Poshmark. So I checked the comps, and you know, anytime you check comps, you're going to find low comps and high comps. And I try to stick somewhere in the middle. In fact, what I do is I throw out those super low comps and the super high comps, and then I'll average everything in between. So I don't remember, about $65 I think I have these listed for. I mean, they're basically a new boot. I don't think anyone's worn these. These are a size 9. I haven't tried them on, but that's not my size. But I like these. I like these a lot. So it's not the season for leather booties, but the season is right around the corner, and I'm going to get these listed. Everything that I am purchasing this week, I am listing immediately. That's part of the challenge. I am getting everything listed. And this is the final pair of shoes in this haul, and look at them. Look at them. I tried to lace them up to share them with you, but this is what they look like. This is like a combat moto bootie, lace up, and it does have the bling on it. See that crystal detail? All of the crystals are there. There is like some distressing on them as well, you can see, and that is intentional. So they do look a little beat up, but I mean, the integrity of this boot is solid. They are like new. Now, they had been worn. I did have to scrub the soles. That's as clean as I got them. Who is this? Okay, I don't know. I've never come across this brand before, but there you're looking at it. Nero Giardini, size 39, made in Italy. They're so pretty. I mean, they're so unusual, and they're donning some of my hair. I love these boots. These are a size 9, all leather, really nice boot. So I'm excited to add those to my Poshmark Closet. That is 12 pieces from this haul. I really was hoping to keep this kind of small, but I think all of the shoes that I picked up are really great additions to my Poshmark Closet. Now, where's the clothes? I did buy 2 pieces of clothes, and I know you want to see them, but guys, this is the part that I hadn't figured out when I started this challenge. I bought a sweater, and with my sweaters, the sweater that I bought was silk, so I did hand wash it, and it is flat drying right now, so I'm going to show it to you tomorrow. And yeah, sorry about that. I really didn't consider that. I also got a dress. So make sure you're subscribed if you want to see the sweater, the silk sweater, and the dress that I picked up at this Second Chance thrift shop. Please subscribe and join me for my next video, and give this one a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Blessings to all of you.